If you want to use microSD card with the Motorola Edge 70 Fusion, then unfortunately you cannot do that by using the SIM tray. If you remove the SIM tray from the phone, this is of course where usually you can insert your microSD card and you can have additional storage in your phone. But in this case you will not be able to do so. As you can see, the microSD card is pretty much as big as the whole SIM tray, so there is no way to put it into the phone and use it directly all the time. So what you can do, if you want to access the microSD card storage, is you can use a memory card reader. Unfortunately, these tools are usually quite big, but you're looking for a memory card reader that has at least the microSD card slot. I'm pretty sure there are memory card readers just with the microSD card slot, so they are a little bit smaller than this tool over here. But of course, if you have a memory card reader with USB-C, then you can just put the microSD card into the memory card reader, and then you can connect it to the phone, and then you can access the storage. Now, I know this is something that is very inconvenient to use on a daily basis because no one really wants to walk around with this thing connected to the phone all the time. So in that case, you can of course use it only in cases where you have to, or when you have to, access the storage. That is, if you want to check something on your microSD card, maybe you want to transfer something from or to your microSD card. But of course, it's pointless to walk around with this thing connected all the time. That is not really the main idea of this. You probably just want to use it temporarily at a given moment when it is necessary. So unfortunately, other than that, there is just no way to use microSD card with Motorola Edge 70 Fusion. Leave a like and subscribe.